Hello and a warm welcome to all the brilliant minds joining us here at Gilgeekify Programming. I am Saeed Kohansal, your full-stack web developer guide. Artificial intelligence is everywhere these days. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool place where you can find all the big AI names together at once. I'll also show you how to use GPT-4 for free. Allow me to introduce you to ChatGot.io, an innovative platform designed to enhance your communication experience with advanced AI capabilities. ChatGot is a unique app that integrates multiple AI chat assistants into one platform. Imagine being in a chat group where, instead of humans, you're interacting with various AI personalities. You can access a variety of AIs on the same platform, including OpenAI's ChatGPT, GPT-4, GPT 3.5, Midjourney, Claude, Claude version 2, Llama version 2, and more. Alright, let's begin with ChatGot. Simply open your web browser and navigate to chatgot.io. You can also access ChatGot on your mobile device. Okay, here's the ChatGot website. Before we dive in, let me guide you through some of the unique features ChatGot has to offer. Please be aware that ChatGot is a new platform currently in its beta version. With direct conversations, you can easily direct your questions to a particular AI bot by using that symbol. Using the Get Multiple Answers feature, you can tag several AI bots in your question to receive a variety of responses simultaneously. With the Experience AI Artistry feature, just inform the AI of your request, and they will automatically tag at Midjourney, the specialized drawing AI, to create an illustration for you. Through AI interactions, you can pose a question to one AI, and then ask another AI to evaluate or comment on the answer provided. It's a way to engage multiple AIs in a conversation for a multi-perspective experience. Indeed, we are now informed about the special attributes of ChatGot. ChatGot currently only supports user login through a Google account. All you need is a Google account to access its services. To use ChatGot, click the Sign In or Start Chat button and then sign in with your Google account. Before we begin chatting, allow me to give you a rundown of the ChatGot panel. Here is your list of chats. At present, interactions between users and ChatGot are preserved within the user's browser. Users hold the power to erase this information from their browsers whenever they choose. As per ChatGot's announcements, there are plans to implement server storage in the future. And this is your user profile settings, where you can toggle the theme between light and dark modes. Here's your list of AIs. And in the main section of the ChatGot panel, the AI management, you can customize AIs based on your interests by dragging to adjust the order of the AIs. The ChatGot platform provides both official AIs and unique customized and optimized AI bots. These include the Web Design Consultant, Doctor, Rapper, JavaScript Console, Linux Terminal, Math Teacher, Cybersecurity Specialist, Magician, and more. You can activate and deactivate AI bots easily, and you can also drag to adjust the order of the AIs. In the My Creation section, you can set up a custom AI bot with behavior tailored to your interests. Alright, let's start chatting. You can type a character to choose a bot or multiple bots, or just input your question. The active bots are indicated with a blinking purple bullet under AI names. Let's ask two AI bots, GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. What's your version? Are you official? Where are you launched? GPT 3.5 exhibits greater speed than GPT 4, yet GPT 4 boasts superior advancement in its capabilities. The latest GPT 3.5 Turbo model, also OpenAI's fastest, offers impressive speed and quality. The GPT-4 model is currently the world's most advanced large language model provided by OpenAI, offering high-quality answers across various aspects. Let's request a task for multiple AIs. Create a JavaScript OOP fetch example. Very good, let's check each result. We are comparing the outputs of 5 well-known AIs in a single chat. My prompt was, create a JavaScript OOP fetch example. Okay, let me show you an example of AI interactions. Right here, each message has a quote button. By quoting a message, you can prompt other AIs or the same AI to pose a question to one and then ask another to judge or comment on the response. It's an interactive experience that adds a touch of fun and encourages critical thinking. As an example, I am prompting GPT-4 to respond to a message from Llama. I ask, what is your opinion about this? As you can see, it returns a new answer based on quoting. So we have both GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 here together. And this was an example of AI interaction that I tested for you. Like I mentioned earlier, active bots are identified by a blinking purple bullet next to their AI names. Let's prompt GPT-4 to create an image. It automatically generates a perfect prompt and mentions Midjourney to handle the request. You can also use Midjourney AI directly by mentioning it with a character. In the following, I'll show you an example. Excellent. It generated 4 pictures of the Joker for me based on my prompt. You can download it right here. Below the generated image, you will see 2 types of buttons, labeled U and V. Clicking on U will generate your target image in a larger size, while clicking on V will generate new images based on your target image. So, this is the logic of image generation. Let me show you an example of U. This is my target image, and I want to generate a larger version of it, so I should click on the U3 button. Very well, as you can see, it generated a larger version of my target image. There is also a download button. Now, let me show you an example of V. With the same target image, I want to generate more images like it. Very nice, the Midjourney generated new images based on my target image. As you can see, all of these images are related and have the visual effects of the source image that I have chosen. So, if you need a larger image size, just choose the U button. Alright, the Midjourney AI is active now. Let me show you a direct image generation example. In this example, I'm not asking other AIs to generate an image, so the prompt is raw and remains unchanged. That was great! So in this video, we learned how to use ChatGot and checked out all of its unique features. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.
Because I will not quit, not because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.